Have you ever wondered how it feels to achieve financial freedom? A question that has possibly crossed your mind more times than you can count. Financial freedom will allow you to change your life and the lives of the people you love the most. The idea of building wealth from nothing, of breaking free from financial struggling, seems like a distant dream. But what if it isn't? The reality is, achieving financial freedom is not a myth. It's a possibility, a journey that requires dedication, smart decisions, and strategic planning. This possibility is not reserved for a select few. It's a path that's open to everyone, and you're no exception. The first and most important investment you can make is in yourself. It's a powerful statement, isn't it? Yet, it's a principle that many overlook. Investing in yourself is about more than just taking a course or reading a book. It's about fostering a mindset of continuous self-improvement. See, when you arm yourself with knowledge and skills, you become a force to be reckoned with. As you develop and refine your abilities, your value increases, and with increased value comes increased opportunities. You're essentially future-proofing yourself, creating a foundation that will weather any storm. Moreover, the beauty of investing in yourself is that it's a lifelong journey. There's always a new skill to learn, a new perspective to adopt, a new challenge to overcome. And the return on this investment, it's immeasurable. It's not just about financial gain, it's about personal growth, fulfillment, and resilience. Remember, you are your greatest asset. Without a destination in mind, any road will get you there. Just as a sailor needs a compass, you need financial goals to steer your wealth-building journey. Why? Think of your financial goals as your North Star, guiding you towards your desired destination, financial freedom. Setting clear, realistic financial goals is crucial. Whether it's saving for a down payment on a house, starting your own business, or building a retirement nest egg, your goals provide direction and motivation. They help you stay focused, make wise financial decisions, and resist the temptation to spend frivolously. Remember, your financial goals should be SMART. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This will help you track your progress and stay motivated. And don't be afraid to dream big. After all, wealth creation is not about playing it safe, but daring to step outside your comfort zone. Your financial goals are the roadmap to your wealth. So, set your sights high and let's embark on this exciting journey together. Ever thought about being your own boss? There's an undeniable allure to the idea, and for good reason. Starting a business, even a small one, can be a significant stepping stone towards building substantial wealth. Think of entrepreneurship as a journey towards financial freedom. It's about creating something from nothing, nurturing it and watching it grow. It's about turning your passion into profit, your ideas into income. It doesn't necessarily mean launching the next big startup. It could be as simple as turning a hobby into a side hustle or freelancing in your field of expertise. The process may be challenging and it requires commitment, courage, and creativity. But remember, you're not just building a business, you're building your future. This is your chance to take control of your financial destiny, to create opportunities for yourself and perhaps even for others. Business ownership can be a powerful wealth-building tool. It's a journey worth embarking on. Why rely on a single source of income when you can have many? Let's consider this. When you diversify your income streams, you're essentially building a financial safety net. If one source dries up, you have others to fall back on. Think about it. You're not putting all your eggs in one basket. Instead, you're spreading your risk. For instance, you could have a full-time job, but also dabble in investments, or perhaps start a side business. These are ways to generate additional income. And then there's passive income. This is money you earn with little to no ongoing effort. It's like having a silent partner working for you while you sleep. It could come from rental income, royalties, or even affiliate marketing. The beauty of multiple income streams is that they can work together to boost your overall earnings and provide financial security. Remember, diversification is the key to financial security. I hope you're enjoying this video. Please like and subscribe for more content to help you achieve financial freedom. Do you really need that new gadget or designer bag? Pause for a moment, ponder. Living below your means isn't about depriving yourself of every pleasure, but rather, it's about making mindful decisions. It's about distinguishing between wants and needs. Do you need that new smartphone, or do you simply want it? There's a significant difference between the two. Needs are essentials for survival and basic comfort, such as food, shelter, and healthcare. Wants, on the other hand, are things that enhance your life, like that shiny new car or the latest fashion trend. They're nice to have, but not necessary. Living frugally is a cornerstone of building wealth. It's not about stinginess, but about optimizing resources, eliminating waste, and focusing on value rather than price. It's about saving more, spending less, and investing wisely. So the next time you're about to make a purchase, ask yourself, do I need this or do I want this? It's a crucial question that can make a world of difference. Remember, wealth is not about how much you earn, but how much you save and invest. Debt is like a chain that holds you back from your financial goals. But it doesn't have to be. Imagine your life without the constant worry of debt. It's possible, and it starts with a plan. First, acknowledge your debt. It's not a scarlet letter, but a hurdle to overcome. Then, prioritize your debt. Focus on high-interest debt first, as it grows fastest. Next, consider methods like the snowball or avalanche technique. The snowball method involves paying off small debts first, building momentum as you knock each one out. The avalanche method, on the other hand, focuses on paying down the highest interest rates first. And remember, every dollar counts. Even small amounts towards your debt can make a big difference over time. Free yourself from the chains of debt and step closer to financial freedom. It's a journey, but every step matters, and you can do it. Are you earning what you're worth? This question should be your compass when negotiating salaries and raises. It's not about being greedy, it's about receiving fair compensation for your work. Negotiating your salary might seem intimidating, especially if you're just starting out. But remember, the first step is to know your worth. Research average salaries in your industry and consider your experience and skills. Next, build your case. Can you show how you've added value to your company? Have you taken on additional responsibilities? Use this information to demonstrate why you deserve a higher salary or raise. Remember, negotiation is a conversation, not a confrontation. Aim to create a win-win situation. Be confident, but also be willing to listen and compromise. And finally, don't be disheartened if you don't get what you're asking for immediately. Persistence pays off, and the more you practice negotiation, the better you'll get at it. Know your worth and don't be afraid to ask for it. Did you know that your health is your wealth? It's not just a catchy phrase, it's a reality. Your physical and mental health are cornerstones of your capacity to generate wealth. Good health allows you to put in the hours, maintain focus, and bring your A game every day. It's the engine that drives your ability to work, innovate, and ultimately create wealth. Imagine the financial implications of poor health. Medical bills can rapidly accumulate and become a significant drain on your resources. Time away from work due to illness can be a setback, delaying your progress towards financial goals. Chronic health conditions can also lead to early retirement, which may not be financially feasible. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, sufficient sleep, and regular checkups are not luxuries, they are necessities. They are the foundation on which your financial success is built. Take care of your health, and your wealth will follow. Consistency is the key to success. It's a phrase that's been reiterated countless times across various fields and disciplines. But why is consistency so crucial, particularly in wealth building? Consider this. Wealth building is not a sprint, but a marathon. It's about the long game, the steady accumulation of assets over time. It's about the small daily decisions that, when made consistently, lead to significant results. Consistency also applies to your mindset. Maintaining a positive, growth-oriented outlook even during challenging times can make the difference between giving up and forging ahead. It's about showing up, day in and day out, committed to your financial goals. So don't underestimate the power of consistency. It's these small, consistent steps that pave the way to financial freedom. Remember, wealth is built one step at a time. Do you know where your money is going? This question is not just about tracking expenses, but also about understanding the direction of your wealth-building journey. Monitoring your finances is like being the captain of your ship, navigating through the unpredictable sea of the market. It's not enough to set a course. You must also keep a vigilant eye on the horizon and adjust your sails as needed. Effective financial monitoring includes regularly reviewing your income and expenses, scrutinizing your investments, and reevaluating your financial goals. It's essential to not only know how much you're earning and spending, but also where your money is invested and how those investments are performing. Remember, it's okay to tweak your plan. Life is dynamic, and your financial plan should be too. If a strategy isn't working as expected, don't be afraid to adjust. After all, it's your journey. Stay on top of your finances and adjust your plan as needed. Your financial freedom is in your hands. So, are you ready to embark on your journey to financial freedom? These are not just strategies, they're a lifestyle, a mindset that transforms dreams into realities. So let's not wait for tomorrow, next week, or next year. The time to start is now. The time to act is now. The time to change your financial destiny is now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Remember, the journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. Take that step today.